In modern relationships, simple miscommunications can erode trust faster than a big argument, leaving both partners feeling unseen and distant. A manager recounts sending curt replies at work, which her partner interpreted as dismissal, sparking days of cold exchanges that cooled their intimacy and trust. Another example shows how overpraising and constant cheerleading can feel inauthentic, triggering defensiveness rather than connection. Red flags include text-long silences after important topics, rapid-fire questions without listening, and the sudden shift from curiosity to judgment. By slowing down, asking clarifying questions, and mirroring empathy, couples can restore warmth and build lasting attraction.